So in our last class, I finished discussing to you about the importance of the browsing, right? Browsing. A lot of people don't know how to use Google Chrome or Internet Explorer to search for what they want or what they are looking for. For example, they are given an assignment, but you don't know where to start. And when you have your internet, Google Chrome or Google browser in your system, you can just log into your system and then keep searching, key in the word. You can either search by picture or by even search by text. You can search and then get the necessary information. Different section will show to you. This is the step, right? This is the first step. That's the Google. You search the Google. After you search the Google inside your address bar, the Google will pop on. Then click on the Google. It take you to this page. So this page, there is a search text. You can search the text here. That is just the Google search button. Then you can click on search. Then the text that you put, let's say for example, I put food. Right? Let's say I'm searching for Nigerian food. Then the food will different section will show up. There's the different section of food. Nigerian food will show up here. And then I will click the selected one. I will see how they are making maybe the food, for example. Then the page will load. The page that I click will be able to view and show me the information that I'm looking for. If I'm satisfied with those information, I can go with it. So talking about computer virus and other malwares, right? So for example, anything these days have virus, right? Even human beings, for example, we do have our virus like malaria, COVID-19 virus, right? So let's say HIV and then Ebola. All these are virus. So same as computer also, same as human being has virus, on computer has their own virus that attack them and cause also damage to them, such a way like the way diabetes is causing a lot of damage to human being. There is a big virus that can cause a lot of damage also to computers as well. There's worm, there's junk house, and then rock tick virus. So different categories of virus that can attack computer these days. So you have to be more specifically be careful. Don't be clicking any link sent to your email. You have to be very extraordinarily careful because some of the links are not from genuine or reliable source. They are from hackers. So the moment you click them, they can be able to get all your information or attack your system directly and get the information they are looking for. And also there is antivirus, right? Antivirus program protect the computer. So I'm recommending you to go and get reliable antivirus application software. When you search on Google, there's different application software, antivirus software that you can install into your system in order to protect your system from attackers. So there's tips here you can be able to prevent virus and other malware from the system. Never start a computer with a drive or plug in. So remove the plug of that drive or external hard disk or flash drive. Please remove it when starting your computer in order for you not to cause some damage to your system. Never open email attached, as I tell you earlier, right? Email attached that you are not trust. You do not trust the link or email attached that you don't open. Such kind of file can be a virus or an attack to you. Set a micro security. So I have tell you to install antivirus in the computer or get the software regularly. So signature file regularly and scan all the documents. So while installing this, important of installing antivirus in your system, it will help you to keep scanning the corrupt file, the file that have virus, and then the file does not have virus. If the antivirus program failed, an email attached and impact and delete the content the attached immediately. Before using a removable media, scan the media. So having antivirus installed in your system will help you when you plug in a flash drive. It will scan the flash drive before it will allow you to start using it. So please use those tips that I gave you. They are very, very important to you, and apply them. It will help you and save you a lot from getting attack or damage in the system. So determine the specific. So this round we're going to talk about how to purchase a desktop. So I will just explain to you briefly on how you can be able to purchase a good desktop or get a good PC or a good laptop. You have to watch about the specification, the memory, the capacity of those devices that you are trying to purchase, because looking into those will help you a lot to see if that meets your requirement, if that can take the things that you are going to do. Let's say, for example, you are a programmer or a gamer, then you want to play a game. You have to make sure you watch the specification in order for you to have a laptop that won't be having trouble while working with it. It will cause you to be having some trouble of maybe taking time to load or slowing down while working with it. So same as how to purchase the computer, also Notepad, also what the specification, the size of it, the quality, capacity of it, and then the RAM of it. So that will help you a lot. So the summary of this chapter, please go through those summaries of this chapter, device or define this. So define the time computer and discuss the four basic computer operation: input, process, output, and the storage. Define data and information, identify difference among computer and notebook computers. Explain the primary component of computer and their uses. Describe the use of hard disk and flash memory, optical leads, and other storage media. And also discuss the computer software, explain the difference between the computer softwares and hardware. So if you go all through this short slide, I can just finish discussing with you today. There's a lot of things that you can get there, and also please try to write the things by your own understanding. Please, I would appreciate that if you do that for me. That will help me a lot to let me know that you understand what I told you in the previous classes. And that's all for today, and see you next class. Thank you.